Today we're looking at the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, a high-tech smartboard designed for both office and classroom environments. This all-in-one solution boasts an impressive 4K display, Windows 11 Pro installation, and a robust Core i7 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD. We're excited to dive into the features and performance of this cutting-edge electronic whiteboard. First off, let's take a closer look at the touchscreen capabilities of this monitor. The 10-point touchscreen allows users to interact with the display using multiple fingers, zooming in and out of images, as well as taking notes on images or documents, become effortless tasks, eliminating the need for external styluses. What's more, this monitor is compatible with glove-wearing users, making it an excellent option for users who work in environments where hand hygiene is crucial. Additionally, the brightness can be adjusted to suit various lighting conditions, ensuring that the screen remains easily readable. This level of touch sensitivity and flexibility is particularly beneficial for users who need to engage in brainstorming sessions, presentations, or any other collaboration-oriented activities. Moving on to the smart interactive whiteboard aspect of this product, we find that the Windows 11 Pro installation provides a seamless user experience. The Intel i7 processor handles demanding tasks efficiently, while 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage provide more than enough room for downloading and installing a wide array of programs. From meeting boards and class whiteboards to game tables and smart TVs, this whiteboard offers virtually unlimited possibilities. Its compatibility with digital signage displays and live streaming functionalities make it an excellent tool for presentations, events, or even as a digital bulletin board. The fact that the operating system is Windows 11 Pro ensures compatibility with all necessary software applications and tools, opening the doors to endless creative possibilities. Now, let's talk about the plug-and-play capabilities of this interactive whiteboard. With no drivers required, setting up the device is a breeze. This eliminates the frustration often associated with technical setup processes, allowing users to focus on more important tasks. Moreover, this smartboard supports multiple interfaces, including USB, HDMI, and other connectivity options. This allows users to seamlessly integrate their device with other peripherals, ensuring a streamlined workflow and minimizing downtime. In terms of overall performance, the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor consistently impresses. Whether running high-definition video content or demanding software applications, the device maintains its performance without breaking a sweat. The robust Core i7 processor, complemented by 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, handles even the most resource-intensive tasks with ease. Another significant advantage of this smartboard is its energy efficiency. Unlike older devices that consume an excessive amount of power, this interactive whiteboard features an energy-saving design. This not only reduces electricity costs, but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly workspace. In terms of connectivity, the device includes various ports for connecting to external devices, including USB and HDMI ports. This enables users to share media, collaborate on projects, and stream content directly from their devices to the monitor. Furthermore, the support for live streaming opens doors to new possibilities for educational content creation and collaborative learning. The 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor's robust specifications and cutting-edge design make it an essential tool for educators, entrepreneurs, and anyone who requires a versatile and efficient interactive display. Its ability to seamlessly integrate into various environments, coupled with its impressive performance and feature set, solidifies its status as an unparalleled smartboard solution. In conclusion, the 65-inch interactive touchscreen monitor has proven itself to be a comprehensive and highly capable smartboard designed to meet the demanding needs of both office and classroom settings. Its 4K display, Windows 11 Pro installation, and robust Core i7 processor make it an exceptional tool for presentations, collaboration, and content creation.